I've got amazing growth on my natural hair after using mini braids to grow my hair, and I'm going to be sharing with you in today's video all of the results and how I've found the challenge. Let's get into today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Welcome or welcome back to all my new and returning subscribers. I really appreciate each and every one of you. And so here is my hair. I'm showing you right there, where you get that growth build up, and you can see that my hair's really grown. And I've shown you week by week on this channel how I've been getting on in this challenge. If you join in on the challenge, well done for making it to 8 weeks. And as you can see, I've got about 2 inches of growth. I'm really excited on this channel to show you just how simple it is to grow your natural hair. Using something as simple as mini braids on my natural hair has given me great results in 2022. And for that reason, we're going to be continuing in 2023 on this hair growth journey. I'm confident that with just simple natural hair protective styles, you're able to grow your natural hair. So as stated in the last 8 weeks, week by week, I've been showing you how I've been getting on. I hope you've been liking those videos. It shows you the challenges I talk to you about just growing your natural hair, what I'm doing week by week in my regimen, and showing you how much my hair is growing. I'm pulling the front of my hair there. You can see the growth in my hair. Previous to this, so 2021, my hair was quite long, but it was damaged from using crochet braids. And so last year, most of last year, I used mini braids to grow my natural hair out. And now my hair is growing back to that length, but I'm having to cut away the damage, so it's not as long as it could have been if the hair I started with wasn't damaged. But that's all okay because we've got amazing growth. I've covered in many of my previous videos, the benefits of using something as simple as mini braids to grow your natural hair. So do go ahead and check out all the playlists on my channel. There's many playlists geared towards growing your natural hair with mini braids. So I encourage you to check those out just to see how I go through these challenges. Once again, these smaller, shorter challenges are great for getting you in the mood for the longer ones. As you know, I've gone as long as 21 weeks, 22 weeks, using mini braids to grow my natural hair. But these 8 week challenges really help you get, if 2 months to have your hair locked away, you get great results. So in this video then, I'm taking down my hair after having it for 8 weeks. There's many challenges that come with that because of course, if your hair is a little bit like mine, it will want to start to lock on itself. I've been washing my hair. I've been infusing my hair with Aveda. I've been sharing that on my channel. Particularly, I've in this challenge, I've used fenugreek, I've used a bit of henna, and I use really what was on hand, and I always infuse my recipes with Aveda. Aveda is great for giving strength to your natural hair. And I've been making sure I've been washing and cleaning my scalp a lot often because I really want to grow my natural hair and I really want to have healthy hair. And healthy hair starts with healthy scalp. So when it comes to taking down mini braids, especially after 8 weeks, you just really have to be careful. I set aside enough times, and sometimes this takes more than one day. To take down these mini braids, it actually takes 2 days, and that's about the amount of time that they took to install. Roughly, if you're going to really be doing really small braids, and it's taking you even up to a week to install, you're going to be taking that amount of time to take it down. So you just really want to have a lot of patience to be able to take these down. I'm really so amazed at the transformation of my natural hair. It's grown and the growth is great, but the main transformation in my hair has been the thickness, the body of my hair. My hair completely looks different. I'm getting comments in real life about the thickness of my hair, which is great because as you know, that's the thing that crochet braids took from my hair was the thickness, and I really wanted to get back the body in my hair. So I'm really glad to have that from this challenge. If you have not yet done so, it would really mean a lot to me if you would subscribe to this channel. I post on this channel how to grow your natural hair, showing you mini braids, mini twists, and all the recipes that I'm using. It's really simple natural hair care, and you will get great results if you follow along with what I'm doing. For 2023, we're going to be keeping things simple. We're going to be growing out our natural hair through challenges as well. And whatever I'm doing to my hair, I will be posting it here on this channel. So do subscribe, hit the notification bell as well, so that you know when these videos are out and you don't miss any of my content. Thank you so much. So back to the video then, you can see me using a combination of my hands and the comb to take down my hair. For the ones that I took out a few days before, I made those into some big braids, and here I am now. I've gotten to the end of the takedown, taking out those big braids. Can you see the length and the thickness on my hair? Even I'm amazed to look at the thickness compared to when my hair was, say, a year and a half ago. It's really transformed. Our natural hair journey is really about patience. Yes, we are going to be making mistakes, and I've made a lot of mistakes, and I've shared them on the channel. I've got videos where my hair looked absolutely horrendous, but I share those on this channel to show you that I also make mistakes. I started my natural hair journey from 2009, and so I should actually know better, but a lot of the things that we put on our hair, sometimes they don't go as planned, and so I share all the content that sometimes I get it wrong, but also I turn it around. And really last year was about turning around my natural hair, so that the hair that I have on my head is hair that I'm going to want to keep. And when I look at this body of hair, my hair really looks beautiful, and I'm so amazed that I'm able to grow this hair through simply using mini braids. So this is what my hair looks like today. It looks gorgeous. It looks beautiful. It looks thick. And you saw me grow this hair in the last 2 years. My channel has been up, or almost 2 years now. You see me transform my hair. If you go back to my older videos, you can see that my hair was not in this condition at all. And so I'm being very transparent on hair, showing you how to grow your natural hair. Very, very simple. I've tried to document as much as possible. I've used hair growth aids, virgin hair fertilizer featured very heavily on the list, but I'm always issuing some caution. It's not just down to virgin hair fertilizer, it's down to good hair practices. Keeping your scalp clean, keeping the length of your hair moisturized, and paying attention to your ends. You will get beautiful results just like this. I'm so excited to have come to the end of another 8-week challenge. Once again, I've demonstrated to myself that I've got what it takes to grow the natural hair that I want to see, and I'm so encouraged by the amount of growth and transformation in my hair. My hair looks really, really beautiful, and I'm sorry about the lighting changes because of the way this video was filmed. My hair is really dark, it's really beautiful, but because of the different lighting, I've had to experiment with actually brightening this video, and so sorry about all the changes that you can see in the video. I will be doing an official length check. I'm not really looking for a lot of length because you saw I did at least 3 trims last year, and I was dusting a lot more than I would have thought I would have needed to, but I wanted my hair to look beautiful, so I went ahead. And so just stretching it there, you can see where my hair catches me, and I'm very, very happy with the length. But most of all, I'm happy with the thickness and the body of my hair. So in today's video, I've shown you my hair, taking it down out of mini braids from the last 8 weeks, and showing you what my hair looks like today. It's full, it's thick, it's longer, and it's looking gorgeous simply by using mini braids. If you want to find out how I did it, check out the playlist section of my channel where there's lots of information, at least 3 or 4 challenges there that you can start on today. But for 2023, there'll be lots more challenges. Next, I'm going to be giving my hair a rest, so there won't be a challenge until around February, but I will be doing a length check, and there will be lots of videos here on this channel geared towards growing your natural hair. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I will see you in my next one. Take care. Bye bye.